As the Galaxy S24 launch looms just around the corner, leaks have painted a comprehensive picture of the specs, design, and features, defying Samsung's veil of secrecy. Recently, slides surfaced briefly, offering a sneak peek into Samsung's extensive commitment to AI, boldly declaring Galaxy A is here. The focus on artificial intelligence, particularly in photography, is evident, reminiscent of Pixel 8's Magic Editor. The upcoming phones will seemingly allow users to dynamically modify images, demonstrated in a promotional image where a simple touch and hold adjusts size and angles, with AI seamlessly adapting the background. A more dynamic and captivating shot showcasing the AI's image manipulation capabilities. While other images delve into design details, the primary takeaway is an exhaustive list of camera specs aligning with previous leaks. This 24 boasts a triple camera setup, spearheaded by a 15 wide-angle lens with 2x optical quality zoom, complemented by a 10.3x optical zoom lens and a 12mm ultra-wide sensor. On the other hand, this 24 Ultra features a quad array, including a colossal 200mm main sensor, a 12mm ultra-wide lens, and two optical zoom sensors. One 10p with 3x magnification and another 50p with 5x. Both phones share a 12mm selfie lens. Android headlines also hint at intriguing revelations. Firstly, Galaxy AI features may remain free until at least 2025, indicating a potential shift from initial reports of paywalled AI. Whether Samsung maintains this approach or revises it remains to be seen. Secondly, Samsung seems to embrace Google's strategy, committing to 7 years of software updates, extending support until 2031, a move likely to set a new standard in the industry. With the Galaxy S24 family's official unveiling just around the corner, scheduled for this Wednesday, anticipation is building. Tune into Galaxy Unpacked 2024 live to catch the revelations and get a comprehensive summary of all the expected features.